Good morning. It is day 2 in California. Where are we going, Andrew?
Blue Star Donuts.
We are going in true fashion, at least our true fashion, to go get some donuts from a little local place. Well, it's not local. It is local. I don't know what I'm saying.
They have locations in Tokyo and Portland.
They have other locations, but this one is right by us. So we're going to get donuts there. I guess they're kind of like fancy grown-up donuts with like cool flavors. But right now I am just uploading my Q&A for you guys. It has like 5 minutes left. And yeah, I'm excited to go get donuts. So we're gonna get donuts and then come back so I can get a little work done for just like an hour while the donuts settle. And then I already drank a protein shake because gotta be a little responsible at least. And then we're gonna go back to Gold's and get a lift in. So this is where we're staying. It's like a huge ass mural. I'll back up so you guys can see, but we had no idea when we booked this place that it had this giant mural on it, and even across the street has a huge mural of the guy motorcycle riding. But this is where we're staying. Say hi, babe. Isn't it cool? I call it the Chihuahua house. I don't know if that's what everyone calls it, but I think it's pretty neat. Ready to walk?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're staying on like the cutest little street. All the houses around here are adorable. They're just like small and cute. I don't know. I'm obsessed. Okay, here we are. Oh wow. Looks so good. Good morning. Alright, here's what we're working with today. The bacon maple. Oh, look at those ones. The old fashioned. We gotta get one of those for sure. What is this street called? Abbot Kinney? Okay, so this is Abbot Kinney, and it's like the main road in Venice Beach. And we just got our donuts from Blue Star. So this is, like I said, the main street. It's really dead right now because it's like 8 a.m. on a Sunday morning. But we like it, and it's quite interesting. All the buildings are really like fun. Prime example right here. Yeah, a lot of them have like murals, and there's a lot of cool architecture, and we're excited to explore later. We're gonna come back and go shopping. Okay, now we're at Intelligentsia? Why is this G not silent? Way to read. So I just got some tea because I didn't feel like coffee, but this is fancy AF. And babe got a cappuccino, classic. And of course we're gonna eat the donuts. So here is what we got. So here they are: blueberry, bourbon basil, Meyer lemon and lime filling, and buttermilk old fashioned.
The first like couple sips.
Alright, which one are we trying first? The lemon?
Yeah.
Because you feel like that'll be the least exciting. Oh wow. Okay. Hold on. Focus. There we go. Dang. That was real good. There. Oh. Break it. I want to see the inside.
Like in half?
Yeah. Okay, be gentle. Okay. You guys, this is like a game changer. No donut will ever measure up to this. It has like crunchy bits at the top, and I just, no. This is life. This is everything I ever wanted in a donut. Comments? Speechless? Speechless. Oh my god. Alright, last but hopefully not least. Go ahead. How is it?
It's good. We're just here waiting for our oatmeal.
So, he wanted some pre-workout oatmeal, and because obviously donuts aren't enough. But I have like a deathly fear of oatmeal boiling over because that happens to me way too often.
And look where this microwave is.
So I gotta watch it.
It's on top of the fridge.
I gotta watch it. It should be like in the corner or something, but...
Don't try this at home, kids.
Extreme oatmealing.
Oh god, this technique. Look at this.
Form. Saltering?
Load the hips, load the hips.
And we're back. We took quick showers and changed and looked like real humans kind of now. And now we're gonna go to brunch, but it's 1 p.m. so that's still brunch though. Babe, where are we going? Willie
Jane.
Willie Jane's.
For chicken and waffles.
Here we are. Willie Jane's. There's this cute little garden thing store next door too. Good. Babe, Hawaiian bread French toast sticks.
I don't care.
Okay, we have warm biscuits with, what is this, burnt orange honey butter?
Yeah.
They look so good. Stopping at the ice cream truck, salt and straw. What? Okay, we have, I forgot already.
Coconut something.
Coconut, pecan, shortbread, berry something, strawberry, white chocolate, and then sea salt caramel is inside. Super excited to eat this. Okay, so we took a breather to re-energize, revitalize, renew, refresh, all of those words. And now we're gonna go to Tacos Por Favor, I believe it's called. And we changed into some spiffier outfits. So I have my new jacket on and my new shirt on. And a Lulu long sleeve underneath because it's kind of cold out. But yeah, and Drew got a new sweater from Lucky. Looks good, looks good. And we're gonna go walk. Okay, plan B. We decided to get sushi instead, so we're at Restaurant Hama. Fresh, fun, and friendly. Okay, so we got the sashimi sampler. So it's yellowtail salmon and tuna sashimi. And then there's just little like rice noodles holding it up. And then this is the green dragon. So it's spicy tuna with like jalapeno, masago or something and chili oil. So that's probably super spicy, but looks good. Have beef dumplings, and this is like scallops and mushrooms, like baked. I don't know. Sounded good. We wanted something sweet to end the night, so we decided to make Quest bar cookies because there's only one dessert place by us, and we ate there yesterday. So we're making Quest bar cookies, and all you have to do is take a Quest bar, and we're doing chocolate chip cookie dough, and split it into however many pieces you want, and then just form it into little cookie shapes. And you can like microwave it to soften it up if you want, but I'm too lazy because the microwave is on top of the fridge. So you do that, and then it's easier for not wearing a comforter, but then you just pop it in the oven on broil and let it go until the top gets golden brown, but you gotta watch it because it goes really fast.
Okay.
Okay, so we broiled it for a few minutes, and now we're gonna flip them over so that they get crispy on both sides. It's kind of tricky because they get sticky, but you can kind of slide them up and see the chocolate gets all melty. So good. Now they go back for a couple more minutes. Not a couple more minutes, like 1 minute. Oh, and with it, we're having protein shakes because gains. But really, during the trip, I just want to make sure I get my protein in and then kind of stay within my calorie goal for carbs and fats. But we have Select Protein vanilla. I brought one of the little 7-serving tubs because it's convenient, and then we got our brand new little gold shaker cups. So we're basically having cookies and milk. And they're like crunchy but gooey in the middle, and the chocolate's all melty. So good. Definitely try that if you haven't.